sign that you are insecure and underconfident. So today we are going to talk in this video a sign which indicates that you are not confident. Now, if you are a person who says a lot of like I, me, my, if you keep yourself at the center of the conversation every single time, even if people do not ask you, just start talking about yourself. You might have seen such people, like even if you don't ask them, they will say, okay, you know what, my name is this and I work for this and this company and my position is this and my boss is terrible, he's toxic. Am I looking good? Am I looking awkward? Or did I say something wrong? Am I overdressed? They are so obsessed with themselves. It means that they are insecure. So when they are checking in that is there something wrong in myself, so in reality, actually there's nothing wrong. In reality, you focus inward and there's a high alert, thinking that am I behind everyone? Am I questioning myself all the time? This is what is called Alan Watts' backward law. Okay, trying too hard always creates resistance. And this law is applicable not only for confidence but for every aspect of your life. Now, if you look at yourself, the more you try to float, the more you will sink. The more you try to chase your girlfriend or boyfriend, the more they repel away from you, right? The more you try to hold the sand, it will go away from your hand. Like the more you stress about money, the more you live in scarcity, money goes away, right? The more you try to look confident, what happens is you start feeling worse. And that feeling which you feel when you shrink from inside, the people can feel that. The people around you can feel that insecurity. So confidence is not which you can force. Confidence is something which appears when you let it loose, when you stop trying. Now, when I say stop trying, it doesn't mean not taking actions, just being silent. No, stop trying means complete trust on yourself, right? So confidence is intense trust in your abilities, holding space for yourself, valuing yourself, taking a stand for yourself. Now, what do I mean when I say valuing yourself or taking a stand for yourself? Whenever you have an opinion, share it with people. If in the conference room, suppose there's a brainstorming which is going on and somebody asks for opinion, just share the opinion. Okay. Now, second thing is, if you do not agree to a particular point, so stand for yourself. Tell that you do not agree to the point and why. Tell some valid reasons why you do not agree to the point. Learn to say no comfortably, fearlessly, without any hesitation. Suppose you're occupied with a lot of work, your manager comes and gives you more work. So set an expectations, tell them that give me a timeline or extend 2 more days. If you want more resources, tell that, okay, I want few more people. So create space for yourself. Ask for help if you need it. Stay silent if you feel like. Don't over apologize on small things. So value yourself. Now, if you want to work on your identity, if you want to work on how to develop your confidence, book a free mentoring session with me and please WhatsApp on this number. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you like my videos.